Jalva, Jalva. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell them like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up. Jalva.
आग सी रवानियां,
Yo, I know a lot of yo wouldn't
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये चला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the stalling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the stalling in her.
Come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swaying in style. You by my side, as the music is soaring. Going shouting and roaring,
Tell me.
dancing all night.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना. हो ये जलवा, हो ये जलवा, कर दे सबको मस्ताना. हर जमाना दीवाना, दिन में दौरे दिखलाना. हाँ ये जलवा, हाँ ये जलवा, आओ किसी रवानियों.
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गई अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये चला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
End of the competitive rounds, and while we are compiling the scores, we have Vijay coming up with another song.
ओ महबूबा, ओ महबूबा, तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. वो कौन सी महफिल है जहाँ तू नहीं मौजूद. ओ महबूबा, ओ महबूबा, तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. This is what happens at 11 o'clock. ओ महबूबा, ओ महबूबा, तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. तेरे दिल के पास है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. How are the judges doing? पाहो के तुझे हार में ले जाऊंगा एक दिन, सब देखते रह जाएंगे, ले जाऊंगा एक दिन. बाहों के तुझे हार में पहनाऊंगा एक दिन, सब देखते रह जाएंगे, ले जाऊंगा एक दिन. ओ महबूबा, ओ महबूबा, तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. किस बात पे नाराज हो, किस बात का है गम, किस सोच में डूबी हो तुम, हो जाएगा संगम. किस बात पे नाराज हो, किस बात का है गम, किस सोच में डूबी हो तुम, हो जाएगा संगम. ओ महबूबा, ओ महबूबा, तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. बाहों के तुझे हार में पहनाऊंगा एक दिन, देखते रह जाएंगे, ले जाऊंगा एक दिन. किस बात पे नाराज हो, किस बात का है गम, किस सोच में डूबी हो तुम, हो जाएगा संगम. ओ महबूबा, ओ महबूबा, तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूद. तेरे दिल के पास ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Okay, we are almost ready now. Okay, thank you. How is everybody feeling now? Bit tired? They are tired. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. I'm not going to take much time.
I'm not going to sing, and the scoring is still being compiled. In the meanwhile, I'll just ask a few people to come up on stage, please. Fortune World Travel, Simranjeet. Choice, Bhavesh bhai, you were sitting somewhere here. Aa jao jara fatafat, come along. Sanjay ji. Rohit Duggal, if he's around. Satish ji, Satish Roy. Navtarang Prakash ji. Friends Audio Videos, Varun, Kamal. Aa jao koi ek jana. AU Broadway, Manpreet. iSpirit, it's the largest, Australia's largest online ethnic store. They are giving away some prizes today. So I'll invite them to please come on stage. Somebody from Silsila, the party people, Pritika or Sam, whoever's here, please come on. Yogeshji, if he's around, Cinestar Fashion, Liverpool, where is he? Oh, he's a busy person. He's the biggest promoter around and he's planning his next show. Oh, look at that. Our future dream boy or dream girl? All right, can we have Anju here, please? All of you, please, thank you so much for being a part of this event. I don't know, I've said that twice, thrice, but words are not enough because really everyone says it wouldn't have been possible. This would not have been possible if you did not, kind of believe that we could do something which would be appreciated. As I said, it's not how many people watch the film or how many people read the book, it's it's in it. And we've tried to put in our heart and soul into the show. The girls have really put in everything they had, and they've come up with a smashing show. And the finale, it's something to watch out for. All the girls on stage together with Shah Rukh Khan. Nah. But it's a surprise item, so watch out for it, coming soon. And they'll be all here performing on a wonderful number with actually somebody who's a star coming in. So I would request, Varun? Oh, Gagan is there. All right. I would, a small memento from our end, we would like you to accept that. Manpreet, AU Broadway, the official makeup girl. Yeah, she's made everybody look so beautiful. I said, mujhe bhi do my makeup also. She refused. She said, some things can't change. So we got iSpirit, Australia's largest online ethnic store. And they've got beautiful clothes. They've come up with a corporate line also. We were playing a video in the beginning. And Simranjeet Singh, he's giving the free tickets to the girls, not to me. So I'm not happy about that. Fortune World Travel. Bhavesh, the lovely food you had, I'm still hungry. I didn't get anything to eat. Indian fast food, Choice Indian fast food. Mr. Rohit Duggal. His brother is a big promoter. He's running Mr. Office. He did all our printing. And Mr. Sanjay Deshwal, Migration Without Migraine. So he's kindly organizing the accommodation for the girls there. Prakashji, what can I say about him? Navtarang Media. Dr. Satish Rai, my old associate. He's running a number of television channels. He's also publishing a newspaper now. Friends Audio Video, we're doing the video, Gagan. And here, we want Kamal on the stage. Come on. Come on, Aja. Leave it. And we have a special trophy for Cinestar also. Varun's going to take that. Aja. Yeah, for Yogeshi, he's had to go. Idhar Aja. Yeah. किए थे कितने? All right. That's Kamal. That's Varun's wife. She's a wonderful dancer. Someday we'll see her performance. She does very good Punjabi folk song. She also runs an academy called Virasat. And Pritika, where's Pritika? And Zoe, where's Zoe? She runs a skincare clinic and she is one of our sponsors and was going to be one of our judges, but is helping us backstage. Zoe, we want you on stage. And just for records, she is Bruce's wife.
Why was that special clap, Bruce?
So now that we are all on stage, can we have somebody from Silsila, please? Pritika or Sam, anyone here? Silsila is organizing the after party on the 16th. So if you haven't got your ticket, please go out and get a ticket. We'll get together on the 16th again. And we've got Vishal and Vishal here who have helped us with our photography. Sabi, he's not here. He helped us with the photography also. And host of other people. Aarti from Desi. Hemu Negi is somewhere around taking pictures. He never sends me my pictures. So Hemu, make sure you send me my pictures this time. So thank you, all of you. Please, a big round of applause for them before we move out to the finale. Vishal is there, yeah. Vishal, some pictures tonight. Don't edit them. All right? And now, we move towards the finale while the judges are still, well, the backstage guys are still working out who's winning and losing. And have we got the audience choice also? We still haven't got the audience choice. The sheets are still there. Please fill them up and send it to us, send it back to us. And we still have Julie to perform. She's there. I can see her there. All right.
शाम है जाम है और है नशा तन भी है मन भी है पिघला हुआ छाई फिर भी मेरा बीना क्यों धड़कता है दिल क्यों ये कहता है दिल दीवाना को अब तक नहीं है ये पता आज की रात आना है क्या आना है क्या आना है क्या आज की रात आना है क्या आना है क्या आना है क्या।
Yay! That was our star from Sydney, the best Bollywood dancer, Varun Tiwari. And he's no less than Shah Rukh Khan for us. A round of applause for him.
Oh, he's got it.
And this wasn't planned. I just got him on stage by hook or by crook. You know, I told him, you have to come. And he was so sporting. And we are still waiting for the scores. I know, heart is beating. Everyone's heart is beating. So we might have to wait for two or three more minutes. And in the meanwhile, we have the soundtrack for Manpreet. And we'll see you girls soon after Manpreet's track. Thank you.
At Fortune World Travel, you'll find the lowest available prices on domestic flights to all destinations around Australia, as well as cheap international flights to a huge range of worldwide destinations. We won't be beaten on price and will beat any comparable quote.
Plus, we offer 0% booking fees and 0% credit charges.
Call 1300 837 920 or visit www.fortuneworldtravel.com.au.